I have been doing competitive Microsoft Excel challenges for about 2 years now. I've climbed the leaderboards to a couple of top 10 results worldwide, and I have decided I will do a playlist to try and impart all of my knowledge, categorized nicely on Excel. So this will help anyone that's looking to do the Microsoft Excel World Championships from a beginner. It's going to teach you to not only start, but to do quite well. Also, anybody that just uses Excel day to day in their job or otherwise, you'll learn a lot of tips and tricks if you stick with this playlist. So this was mostly inspired by when I started. There was a video from Dim Early and Giles Mail, which was kind of like a fundamental intro to how to compete in Excel. And this is going to be the same thing, but a little bit more comprehensive. So let's just do a quick run through of what I'm going to cover in this course. So the first section of videos is going to be on the fundamentals that you need to have. So since this is aimed at competitors, we're actually going to start with a case layout video. So tips and tricks, what to do before the case if you decide to compete. Then we're going to go through exam technique and speed. At the end of the day, the competitions come down to speed. The more efficiently and quickly you can solve something, the better you will generally do. Then we're going to have a video on the most important formulas. So you don't actually need to know that many formulas to get through the competitions or Excel in general, but you need to know a few formulas very well rather than lots of formulas poorly. Then we're going to have a video on all things lookups. They are a fundamental challenge that comes up time and time again in competitions and real life, and there are many ways to look up data. Then we have a full video on data tables, so how to use data tables. This is essentially building a whole model, and then in a few clicks you can see what the output of that model would say if you were to change some of the input variables. So this saves you a lot of time if you have a complicated question. Then the last video in this chapter is going to be about error handling. So we've all run into those pesky errors. This is going to be how to identify where they are and correct them. So once we're finished with the fundamentals, we're going to go on to discussing game types. So the first type of game that you might find in a competition file is a data game. So we are going to cover how to manipulate text in one video, then numbers, dates, time, color, and then we're going to go through some real example solves. So for each of these sections coming up, the first video will actually be an intro to what type of things you might see and some core concepts, and we're always going to finish with some real example question solves that will use all the things I've taught you in the previous videos. The next chapter will be on actual games. So game types game. That doesn't make sense. What am I talking about? I'm talking about modeling things like card games, dice games, board games, and then some other concepts like introducing additional players into a game, turning switches on and off for multipliers, stuff like that. Then the next type of game is maps, everybody's favorite. We're going to go from first principles, how to flatten data and make it easy to work with, the fundamentals of calculating all kinds of distances. Then we're going to cover mazes, directional arrows, and go through some example solves. Then the last type of game we normally see, which is a lot rarer, is kind of a programming type game. So for anyone that's competed before, think about things like the simple case. In these, you're generally building some type of algorithm or some kind of recursive formula that builds up to solve the entire case. So we're going to talk about things like lambdas, recursion, and combinatorics. So that's going to be about 30 videos, should take you from beginner to intermediate to be able to solve most of the Excel challenges that you'll find in competitions or in daily life. So I've already uploaded the first video in this series, so subscribe, follow along. I will upload very regularly to get this out to you in the best time that I can. Enjoy.